Welcome back to Discovering an Educated Life. This is Megan, and today I am coming to you today to talk about a game that we've been playing called IQ6 Pro. This is a sponsored video from Timberdoodle. They sent me this game for free to review in exchange for me to play it with my daughter and to just go over it and to see what we think of it and how we like it. So if you don't know, we've been using the Timberdoodle company this year. From our curriculum, we used the 5th grade package, and we've been working through all of that this year. And if you don't know anything about the Timberdoodle company, you should know that they provide very comprehensive packages. This particular game that I have called IQ6 Pro, this comes in the 9th grade full package, the full kit, and their packages are not the standard. Like if you've ever used almost any other curriculum company, you're going to get like language arts, math, science, spelling, like the regular things that you always get, but you're also going to get things like thinking skills, and you're also going to get STEM resources and lots of art resources and just really cool fun games to play with your kids. And it's a very engaging, interactive curriculum and course, and those are some of my favorite things about Timberdoodle are those resources, just all of those extras that the curriculum and the company comes with. So today, I'm going to share with you guys this game that we've been loving and why we've been loving it and how you play it. So stay tuned. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to just follow our homeschool journey. Okay, guys, here is IQ6 Pro in the catalog. This is the Timberdoodle catalog. And this is part of the 9th grade package, the 9th grade kit. And I believe it comes, yep, right there, IQ6 Pro, and it says it's available on page 146. So I'm gonna flip back here to page 146 and just share that with you. It's right here. So IQ6 Pro is an innovative pocket-sized, travel-friendly, cognitive workout for your teen. The IQ6 Pro consists of 12 multicolored, multi-geometric connected beads on a divot-like rectangular playing tray with 120 colorful illustrated puzzles. Your student begins play by placing one or more of his 12 pieces onto the board in specified positions, then uses his remaining pieces to fill in the spaces. IQ6 Pro slowly but effectively develops children's visual spatial skills through a series of very logical building steps. The IQ6 Pro's colorful pieces are housed in a sturdy box that doubles as 2 different playing boards for 3 types of puzzles: 2D, 2D butterfly, and 3D. IQ6 Pro enhances eye-hand coordination, improves concentration, and trains cognitive skills. This game is $11.99 and it's a very affordable option. You see there are many different challenging levels. You see this one's building upward. It's like a 3-dimensional. So I'm going to start and just show you. This is the game. This is the case, and I didn't even keep the box. It's a smart game. A lot of their preschool games are this brand, and we've used those in the past. And then it has a little booklet here with all the pieces. IQ6 Pro, and I'm just going to demonstrate to you how you play this game so that you can see. I have a 5th grade daughter who's 10, and she was able to play this. So it is a high school package, but it's not beyond just I think some 5th, 6th, 7th grade thinking skills. So I'm gonna do this one here. I'm gonna place all of these pieces how they are. So you're just going to place them where they go. So you're just going to place them where they need to go. That one, yeah, that's right. And this one, you don't have to go in there, Abby. You can come out here. Abby. Abigail. Okay. She was there. I don't know where she went. And here. Okay. So you see how this looks like this, number one. So you just place those pieces where they go. Then you have these left. So what you have to do is fill in these gaps. And so some of them are so obvious. And this first one is like, we did it. Everyone in our family did this one, I think, in like 2 seconds. Because you can just look at these pieces and see how they fit. It was just a very simple, you can just look at it and tell how they would fit together. So it was that simple for this level. Obviously they get more challenging. I think that's probably the easiest one. So then what you're gonna do, look at this. You have your pieces where they were supposed to be, and in the back of this, there are, I believe, solutions. Go to the very back of the book. You can look at this and see this is number one and compare it and see if yours looks like it. And so you don't even have to like check it or see, like your child can check this on their own, especially at a high school level, but because that's what this is meant for. But I think this game is fine for anywhere from a probably about 9-year-old through maybe even 8 or 9, all the way up through high school. And so I don't even mean just through high school, because my husband has been addicted to this game ever since we received it. So it's definitely something that you, it's just a fun, like, strategy thinking game that you can have a good time playing. So that is how you play the game. So that's it, guys. It's just a really fun game that I feel like is usable from a young age up to an older age. My daughter, it was a little more challenging than some of the other thinking games. Like, she's doing Architecto this year in her 5th grade kit, and that one is a little easier than this one. The Genius Star also is a 2-player game that our whole family has been playing this year. That one is a little more her age, I will say. Like, she can beat everyone in that, it feels like. But this one is a little bit more of a challenge for her as a 5th grader. So I would say it probably is in the right age range. I think adults probably get more out of this game than a younger child, but they're definitely capable of joining in, if that makes sense. So I think it's a great addition to the 9th grade curriculum. I think it's a great addition to Timberdoodle's library. And I showed you guys it. I just kind of put that in there in the case. I didn't even keep the box. Like, it really is pocket sized. It would be great to take to co-op. If you have a co-op, it would be great just to take it on a road trip, as long as you don't lose the pieces in the car. Anywhere, like, it's just a really fun, great game to play. And I love that Timberdoodle includes those thinking skills. They include that STEM and all of those extra things you don't think about in their core packages. And it's a really important part of Timberdoodle and why we love it so much. So I hope you guys are able to join in on the fun of some of these, like, game schooling games. We really enjoy game schooling in our home, and we really enjoy just, like, using games for critical thinking. And we love using games just to, like, take brain breaks during the day. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit like or subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you soon.